In a world where over 2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water, and millions suffer from preventable diseases due to poor sanitation, the connection between our environment and our health has never been clearer.
Environmental health is crucial because it directly impacts our well-being, poor air quality, and respiratory diseases, while contaminated water can cause gastrointestinal infections.
Environmental health is a branch of public health that focuses on the interactions between people and their environment. It encompasses air quality, water quality, and the safety of our surroundings.
Ng sinilang pagdawit ng basura sa tapat nito. Obviously, destructive din sa amin, siyempre, kasama ko yun. Isa yun, saka ano din sa paningin, yung asiwa ko, yung environment mo. So, yun yung observation mo. So, ang recommendation na dyan is hanapan sa suitable place para dyan sa mga basura na yan. Para ma-implement yung sinasabi mo na sanitation, kalinisan. So, yung mga ganyan, mga stock na yun na yan, picturean din nyo yan. Actually, that is a project of the so, binibenta nila, yung plastic na yan, baka sinipipit yan, bote, karton, plastic, and then binibenta nila yung para magkaroon ng pero sana, huwag nyo lang yung stock ng matagal dyan. Diba? Kasi sama sa sakit sa matagal. Dapat, yun yung sinasabi ko sa iyo na ilalagay nyo, sa recommendation nyo, lalagyan, hahanapan ng allocation kung saan ilalagay yung mga basura. Kung iipon yan. Huwag dyan sa sito na yung sabihin, kitang-kita ng mga tao. Kasi pag tuwing nakikita tayo, ano ba ito? Dumi naman. Yun yung recommendation nyo dyan. So, hanapan lang yung tamang daga, suitable place para doon i-impact yung mga ganyan na yan is ano lang yan, temporary storage lang yan. Okay? So, i-store nyo dyan, i-store nyo na dapat dyan, and then kukunin din na dyan. So, huwag i-stay dyan ng ilang araw. Kasi,
so, kailan sila nag-ano ng basura? Nagkakuha ng basura?
Kasi, kung dyan nagtapon dito, everyday yan, pinagpupukayan sila. So, hindi dapat makantala yan, even na one day, kasi pag na-stay dyan, na 2 days lang, makikita mo dyan, tapos ang basura. So, sa ngayon, since under itong kalsada na ito, ipagtapon ng basura ang sila sa pagkakay. Hindi na dyan. So, expectedly, after nito, maayos nitong kalsada na ito. So, doon din itatapon yung mga basura na yun. Then again, problema sa kalinisan. So, temporary
lang.
So, we don't know sa barangay kung ano yung magiging decision nila. Kung after this, ibabalik din at dito rin magtatapon ulit. Kasi, so yun, malaking dito, sa basura dito, so gano'n yung kadalas yung
Sanitation is a critical component of environmental health. Inadequate sanitation facilities lead to the spread of diseases like cholera and dysentery, disproportionately affecting vulnerable populations.
We see the effect of sanitation every day. Children are the most affected, suffering from malnutrition and illness due to contaminated water and lack of hygiene.
Governments and non-governmental organizations play a vital role in addressing environmental health and sanitation issues. Policies and programs focuses on improving infrastructures and access to clean water are essentials. Despite the challenges, there are inspiring stories of community taking actions to create awareness about hygiene practices. These initiatives are making a difference.
Everyone has a role to play promoting health and sanitation, from individual actions to community initiatives. We can all contribute to a cleaner and healthier planet.
The path to a healthier future begins with us. Together, we can create a world where everyone has access to clean water and proper sanitation, ensuring a better quality of life for all.